The next CD I'm gonna unbox is Billie Eilish. When we fall asleep, what are we doing? This is the Target edition. Here's the front, the spine, and the back. I really like the packaging on this, so let me get the plastic off. Alright, I got the plastic off. I didn't want to damage the stickers, because I like to save the stickers. Those are the stickers. So, the cover is so pretty. Here's the front, the spine, and the back. To the inside. It's like lyrics to the songs. Oh, the city's green. That's so cool. Oh, is there like a picture behind it? Oh, no, but nice CD. I love it. The one feels like a picture. Oh, is this... I think this is like a... It said it came with a poster one or whatever it said. Oh. Can I get this out? Come on. Yes, oh my gosh. I believe... it could be a book, but I'm not sure. Let me just put this aside. Let's look at the poster. Hang on, guys. Oh my god. Oh my god, look at that. Oh my god, it's a big poster. I thought it was gonna be little. It's a big poster. Oh, she's so beautiful. And again on the back. Nope. But I would definitely hang this next to my Taylor Swift poster on my wall. Alright, let me just put this aside. I would definitely hang this up on my wall, but I need to find some more thumbtacks. And I believe there's nothing else. Let me see what. Nothing else in here. What is in here? Oh, cool. What is this? Sorry, guys. I'm just trying to get it open. These are stickers. I'm not going to use these. Really cool. Cool. These are the tattoos, but again, not going to use them. I'm going to save them. Oops, I didn't want to do that, but I'm not going to use them. I'm going to save them. So, yeah. Alright, guys, yeah. That's my unboxing for Billie Eilish when we all fall asleep. Where do we go? Target edition. Yeah. I do have 2 more other CDs to unbox. So, yeah. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I will unbox the other 2 right now.